Alright guys, today is August 30th. I pretty much started this project on August 26th and just been doing an hour or so after work. Yesterday was my very first full day. I put in 12 hours working on this, and what I'm doing is I want to make a shed, a new shed, using pallets. And yesterday I tried to move my shed out of the way, and because the shed is in the way of my new shed, and I wanted to just move it so I could still have a shed while my new one is being built. It's going to take probably a month and a half or so before it's good enough to move in. The reason for that is I'm only able to move a couple of pallets a day in my station wagon. So my yard is a big disaster. Here's everything from my shed, all tarped off. Today I'm going to dismantle the rest of my shed and start making the floor of my new shed. I got the main part of the floor in today. Quite happy about that. The worst part was trying to level all this. You can see I used retaining blocks. Plus I had a whole bunch of cinder blocks left over, and I used them up as well. I got 4x4s going underneath. I have retaining blocks supporting all the middle too, all on that side. This thing is solid as a rock. Just got to put a few strips of wood down there, throw a bunch more screws in here to make sure it's extra solid, and then I could put the floor on. Alright guys, I just got some boards laid out on the floor just for a rough layout. All this came from the roof of my old shed. As I said earlier, all this wood will get reused in some form or another. Nothing will go to waste. I got a couple of pallets there just stood up just to see how things are going to look. There'll be 2 pallets, or 8 feet high on this side, 7 feet high on this side with a sloped roof. My door will be right there. It'll be about roughly 38 inches wide. So one thing I forgot to mention is I brought my dad out today, and even though he can't help physically, he offered me lots of advice, helped with the leveling and the measuring. Right now the most important part is done, the floor. Now I can just collect my pallets 2 at a time, slowly build the walls. I should have this done, like the first phase of this done, by the end of September. Unfortunately, I got all this stuff laying out still, and we're supposed to get an early winter, which I'm worried about. We've already had snow in August, but at least this part of it's done.